New house for sale. South San Juan del Sur. 10 minutes from town and 10 minutes to Playa Remanso. So it's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, large living room, upper ceiling, and you see you have like can on the ceiling fan, on the ceiling roof. Large lot. I will confirm the size. Big tables, all the furniture are included. See, big family kitchen. And we have the first bathroom here, very open, with like a 2 water sink as a guest bathroom and family bathroom. First bedrooms, it has the connection to have a ceiling fan but has no AC. Second room is missing a bed, but we'll have a bed, of course. It was used as an office before. And the third room, which is the master room for now, it has, you see, like wood closet on the side and a private bathroom that we are going to see now. So the property is all fenced and walled. It has a gate for garage, and so street garage, and also gate to get in. Has a covered terrace. It comes with all the furniture. The bed will be included on the third room, and the owner said that the AC will be installed on the master. So they have normally here a connection, a switch, and it will be connected, they say tomorrow. So you have only one AC on the living room, which is cool. It's a big living room, so yeah, it has a big inverter. And let's see now the garden. So you see it comes with this complete nice furnished property. All the TV, chairs, the woods like the tables, cabinet, fridge, etc. are included. Frame out of wood. Let's see. Yeah, easy. And you have the moustic nut. They are all in good shapes, actually. And here we are in our garden. So we are 2.5 kilometers from city center and 5 kilometers from Playa Remanso. And we have like a very nice lot. There is a small garage bodega over here. Here it could be like an additional unit if you want to have an extra room for your kids. You have like plantain and bananas over there. There is some coconuts growing. And we have this nice property. So we missed probably like more furniture outside, but for the rest the property is perfect. It has been rented for 2 years and it's now available, so I'm taking the benefit to make the video and show it good. Okay, so contact us if you want any info for this house.